Yeah.
You show me how to do it if you want to get down there with me.
Oh, I don't really want to get wet.
Oh, look at him. He's all wet now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right over through.
No.
Oh my God, the day after the gay pride parade.
That might be enough for one day.